Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to unbox and I'm going to give it a try for the very first time, a gimbal. I have no idea how easy it is to set it up. I've heard and I read a few reviews and so on that it's supposed to be easy, but we shall see. You know, they say a lot of things, and if people have experiences is one thing, but you have no experience like me, it might be different. So let's get it over with and see what we got here. I got the DJI RSC2 combo. So let's open this up. Haven't opened this up yet, so I'm going to unbox this with you guys here. Oh, interesting case. Okay, it's the box. I guess we don't need it. Nice protective cover. We have the manuals. A nice carrying case. Looks pretty interesting, this carrying case. Ooh, nice. So you have the tripod mount over here. I guess we don't need that yet. Oh, I feel that there is another thing to open on the bottom, so I'll close this one. This is just a top with some already accessories for the Pro combo, I suppose. Okay, I have this, so this is interesting. Okay, I guess we don't need that. I have a bunch of cables in here. So, from before, I know that I'm supposed to unlock this to be able to actually put it up. Yeah, just like so. And then you can lock it back up. This is nice, not very heavy. So I have this. What else do I need? Oh, I need the plate, right? It's a bunch of cables over here. A lot of connection cables, a lot of options. Here we got, oh, guess what? More cables, USB-C to USB-A, USB to USB-C, HDMIs, all types of cables, just was on the camera. So let's check the accessories over here. So in here we got some, okay, this is the Raven Eye, and the Raven Eye is to connect remotely to the gimbal, so you can, someone is going to manage the gimbal and someone else can managing the recording. It's a nice extra. I have a bunch of other things here. This is for the focusing. I'm not sure what these things are. I'll have to open them later and see what it is. I can open it right now and show you guys actually. So I have a plate. I'm assuming this is for the camera. Don't like this. Things are not very easy to open. DJI likes to put this on the drones as well. Some other plate. Okay, this is for the support of the lens. Okay, this one I know what it is. Support the lens in the front. And I have a tube here, which I honestly don't know yet what is it for. Aha, okay, this is the plate that I assume that you put on the gimbal, and this is the phone cover that you have to attach to the gimbal later on as well. Oh, there is one more thing here. Oh, this is for the focusing as well. I'm assuming with this stick as well, everything works together. So this is the DJI RSC2 combo. These are all the accessories. And I know that you are supposed to slide this in. Let me see how does this work. Press the button, take this off. You can this you attach to the camera. So I need one of the screws that are here. Sorry guys, let's see how this is the first time I'm opening this and I'm clueless about this, so I guess you guys are gonna learn with me and see how good or bad I can actually do this. So I assume this goes this way. Yep, this gets into the camera. This can lock and unlock, so you can put this here, and then you have a lever over here that you can lock and unlock. So lock now. And I assume this is the same way here. It should be like so. Well, this goes up and down, so we can So guys, I'm back. I charged this a little bit, so we can go back to our actually tuning of this. So let's put this back here, camera like that. By the way, I connected my USB-C that I'll have to connect to the USB-C in the front. And now we need to make sure that the camera stays in each position that we want. Like, it's not staying up, so that means that it's not configured properly here. So I need to be sure, I was reading the manual a little bit, and we need to be sure that the camera stays in each position once it's balanced. Actually, I should take these caps off because you need to have, the weight needs to be balanced. Okay, so this is good. Good-ish. It's not perfect yet. So this you need to be a little bit patient, but I guess you get there once with a bit of time. And this can be just, a little bit tuned now and then later on have a better fine tune. So as we can see, this way it goes fine, but it doesn't want to stay this way. So now let's lock this part. And that means that this arm here on the back is not balanced correctly with the camera. Okay, so now let's unlock this here and see. We take the knob a little bit and we try to adjust it. Okay. So now we unlock this part and we try to make it that it stays in each position correctly. Trying to put the center of mass correctly. Let's see if this is... Oh, look at that. Staying as I wanted. So first one is this one, so you balance it out. This one, try to make it level as much as possible. Then you do the plate on the bottom. And now we will do third one here. See, the camera is a bit to the side, so that means that is not correctly there as it's supposed to be. Seems to be pretty good, so let me lock this as well. Make sure you lock all the locks. Okay, and then the last one, not least, is if you turn the camera, it is not supposed to swivel to any of the sides. So that means that is not, that you also need to balance it out, this part. Okay guys, seems to be fine now. So now let's turn this on for the first time. Here, I think you have to connect to the app or something. It's booting up, here says DJI and says English. Let me connect the app here. I know that first time you need to connect with the app. Okay. There is a small around here thing that you need to click in there to press OK, which makes not much sense to me, but okay. Connect to the DJI Ronin to activate it before use. This is what I'm doing. Trying to see here. It was on the Bluetooth. Let's see if I can find it. It found it before, but didn't really want to connect. Let's try this again. Let's switch off the Bluetooth, turn the Bluetooth back on, and see. Oh, there you go, DJI. Not sure if it's trying to connect or not, but looking for the device list. These apps are usually, I'm not a big fan of them. Oh, there you go. You found the DJI. You found the gimbal. The password, the default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very hard. Agree and activate. I need to connect. I need to create my account, I guess. So I'll be right back. Let me create my account real quick. Okay, I actually had an account because I had the drone and so on from them. So this is activated. Let's skip this. Joystick error. Run auto tune for joystick. Okay. This is what I wanted to do. I wanted to do the balancing test. Just redoing the testing again. I realized I didn't have the pen unlocked. So that's what the reason why it wasn't it wasn't ideal. That's why it wasn't working properly. So let's see what it says about my balancing. My very first time using this. I'm curious, and I guess this won't be perfect, but I have an idea. Yeah, it says that the pen needs a bit of a rebalance, which makes sense because it was locked. So let me see, when I move this, the drone is moving quite, it's moving quite okay, the gimbal, but it seems not to be 100% yet. So let's see what the app has to offer here in terms of balancing. Auto tune. Oh, this is what I wanted, auto tune. I've seen this before. This is like camera shaking and moving and doing some auto tuning is what I wanted to do before. This calibrating seems to be pretty fast at 60% already. So we'll see how it is. Some strange noises coming off of it. It says calibration successful. So I'm assuming everything it's fine. So yeah, guys, this is my first experience with the DJI RSC2. It wasn't as easy as I thought, but then again, I didn't really read the manual and I didn't have any idea how to, well, I had some idea how to balance it out. I've checked videos online, but didn't really remember. But I did manage. I'm gonna leave you some videos down below with information and how, you can just follow the videos and configure it. It'll be super easy and super quick. Yeah, I'll leave them down below, and yeah, on the weekend I have a few shooting planned, and I'm gonna take the DJI and I'm gonna film a little bit and give this some pieces and give it a try and see how well this performs. Need to get used to it. It's still a learning curve and a learning process, but I'm very happy that I got it, and I have a lot of plans to use this gimbal. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys liked the video, and put a link down below if you liked it, and subscribe if you're not already. And I guess you'll see you on the next one. See you. Bye.